Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my online class on behalf of Brahmanbari Ideal High Academy. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear student, in my previous class I discussed about right form of verbs and some rules. Today I will discuss about right form of verbs and some rules. Okay, dear student, look at the board and notice the rules of right form of verbs what I have written in here. Recently, just now, ever, lately, already, never, yet. Again I am telling this word. Recently, just now, ever, lately, already, never, yet, etc. is available in any sentence. Then the sentence is called present perfect tense. Okay, dear student, I am repeating about these rules. If recently is used in any sentence or is found in any sentence, just now, ever, lately, already, never, yet, is used in any sentence or is found in any sentence, then the sentence will be present perfect tense. Okay, dear student, and also we know that the structure of present perfect tense, subject plus have or has plus verb 3 plus object. Okay, dear student, these words are in any sentence is found, the sentence will be present perfect tense. For your betterment, I have some example here. Look at the board and notice this example. They visit the Sundarbans recently. Okay, dear student, in this sentence recently is used here. Okay, dear student, according to rules we can say this sentence present indefinite tense. Okay, dear student, the sentence will be present indefinite tense because recently is used in this sentence. So we should make this sentence present perfect tense. Okay, dear student, we know that present perfect tense, the structures of present perfect tense, subject, have or has plus verb 3 plus object. So we have to write here, they have visit. The past participle form of visit, visited. Visited the Sundarbans recently. Okay, dear student, can you understand? Dear student, now we are going to second example. She come here just now. She come here just now. Here just now is used in this sentence. According to rules, just now is used or is found in any sentence, the sentence will be present perfect tense. So the sentence will be present perfect tense. We know that the structure of present perfect tense, subject plus have or has plus verb 3 plus object. So we have to write here she has. Past participle form of come, came, come here, just now. Can you understand? Okay, dear student. Now we are going to another example. My father already go there. Dear student, notice the example. My father already go there. Dear student, already this word is used in this sentence according to rules. Already is found in any sentence, then the sentence is called present perfect tense. We know that the structures of present perfect tense, after subject is used have or has plus verb 3 plus object. So we have to write here my father has already, past participle form of gone there. Okay, dear student, can you understand about these roles and structure and examples? I hope you have understood about these roles and structure and examples. Okay, dear student, now we are going to second roles, the right form of verbs. আমি ক্লাস করতেছি একটু পরে 5 মিনিট দাঁড়াও। হ্যাঁ, dear student, role 5. Rule 5. Now at this moment, at present, now at this moment, at present is found in any sentence, then the sentence will be present continuous tense. Okay, dear student, now this word now or at this moment or at present is found in any sentence, then the sentence will be present continuous tense. We know that the structures of present continuous tense, subject plus am is are plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. Okay, dear student, now I am writing some examples for your betterment. He write a letter now. Okay, dear student, notice the example. He write a letter now. Now this word or adverb is used in this sentence. Now, according to rule, now is found in any sentence. The sentence is present continuous tense. Okay, dear student, we know that the structure of present continuous tense after subject is used am or is or are, then verb 1, then ing. Okay, dear students, so we should write here he is, according to structure present continuous tense, he is writing, verb 1 plus ing, he is writing a letter now. Okay, dear student, can you understand this example and about these roles? Okay, dear student, now we are going to another example. I read a novel at this moment. Okay, dear student, I read a novel at this moment. The adverb at this moment is used in this sentence. According to rules, at this moment is found in any sentence. The sentence will be present continuous tense. And we also know that the structure of present continuous tense, subject after subject is used am or is or are, verb 1 plus ing. So we have to write here the structure of present continuous tense. I am read plus ing, read plus ing, that means reading a novel at this moment. Okay, dear student, can you understand about these roles and structures and examples? I hope you have understood about these roles and structures. Okay, dear student, for your betterment, you will practice more and more at your home from your textbook the right form of verbs. Okay, dear student, now I have come to end of my class. Thank you very much.